I repainted this old jeweler's cabinet here, and I'm going to add pinstripes to the front like this. So how do I do that and make it look halfway decent? So I'll be using these Pagather chrome markers. These are, this is a metallic mirror. These are paint pens. There's 3 to a pack. I think these were $6 on Amazon. So they seem to work very well. Now, how do we get a nice straight line? So I made this little thing out of scrap wood, and it's just a little guide that's for the front of the drawers. And what it does is you just put it on the edge of the drawer like this, hold it in place, pump some ink, hit the corner, draw it across as smoothly as I can. This is about the 13th one I'm doing here, so I made a lot of mistakes along the way, but I'm getting better at it. You see the way I did this template, it'll go on all 4 corners. Pump the ink, and away we go. Oops, there is a drop of ink on this thing. Don't want it to dribble. This one's a little dry, so I'll go over it a second time. Yeah, it seems like if I draw it a second time, that'll kind of fill in the little inconsistencies that you have. All right, I'm actually pretty happy with that. All right, so there we go. There's 18 drawers pinstriped. Are they perfect? No, they are not. I will be able to come back and do a few little touch-ups on it, but hey, it's not bad. You should have seen how it started out life. Check this out.